Happy days, here we go again. Welcome to another edition of Rupert'S Property Show, today from a very special 2-bed, 1-bathroom apartment here on Condado De Alhama Golf Resort. It's, as you maybe know, 5 o'clock here in Spain, 4 o'clock on the Canaries and in the UK, and we are on Condado De Alhama Golf Resort with actually 21 degrees. It's quite a nice, a little bit windy day today, as you can see, blue sky all over. And we are here in Garden 9 of Condado De Alhama Golf Resort in a great 2-bed, 1-bathroom apartment which has several improvements. One of them I haven't seen myself neither. So, which means I'm now here on site 14 years, and this is the first time that I see this transformation, and you will see it soon what I'm talking about. So, the property we are seeing today is a 2-bed, 1-bathroom apartment, and it's fully equipped and sold as seen. We are located on Garden 9. We have nearly a south orientation, means that we have sun from, early in the morning until late afternoonish. It's now 5 o'clock and still the sun is up there. So we do get here a decent share of sun, no doubt about. The pool is just opposite, as you can see. And, it's a bright day today, blue sky. What else can I say? Another day in paradise, no? So welcome again to Rupert'S Property Show today from J936, which is reference 3865 on our dedicated webpage qualityhomescostacalida.com. And I just entered the living room, and I will make a turn now so you can see that you can swing the tiger in here. It's a nicely decorated room as well. Kitchen, as you can see, is integrated in the living room, and there's something really useful, which is the breakfast bar here. It's not a big deal, as you can see. It's just screwed down to the normal work surface here, but it really provides a decent morning breakfast thingy, or even a nice dinner venue. So I think it's a very nice idea. It's not about cost, it's rather about the idea, man. It's really great. Apart from that, as you can see, the property is fitted with a washing machine, cooker, oven, extractor fan. We have a water filter here. Happy days. Another thing is, what I so far have not seen on site is that also the fridge freezer is covered by the same wood, or nearly the same wood, as the entire kitchen. So this really makes to me as well a small difference, but at least, as you can see, there are some more ideas in here, which I will point out during our show. Okay, I'm just turning around here. As you can see, the views are breathtaking, also from inside. So sitting here, or maybe cooking something, you still have a look out of the window onto the gardens, sunshine, blue sky. Could be worse, no? Okay, there is a small dining area over here, which is also useful, up to 4 people. Great, that's exactly what the apartment as well houses, so it's for 4 people. Great. Now, let's see the master bedroom. All rooms are, by the way, fitted with air conditioning. Yes, and we are now in the master bedroom, conveniently fitted with a double bed, 2 bedside tables, air conditioning, as we said, and as well a fitted wardrobe. As you know, now I have to say most or nearly all of the properties and all of the bedrooms on site do have fitted wardrobes, but I will show you now something which we might not have seen yet. So we are now in the second bedroom of this great apartment here on Garden 9. It's, by the way, J936. And what they did here is they took out the fitted wardrobe, and therefore this room is much bigger. It really marks a difference. It's maybe about 50, 60 centimeters wide, or deep to say, but it really marks a difference. The room is much bigger now, still fits the bunk bed, so no problem at all. But on the other side, it's big. And these 50, 60 centimeters are really making a massive difference. And hence I said I've never seen this before, because I've never seen that somebody had the idea before, but I have to say it makes a big difference. So this room, and it's just great. I was really gobsmacked when I saw it the first time, and I'm still gobsmacked because it looks just great. Okay, we are coming to the bathroom, where we can see that the bathtub has conveniently been changed to a walk-in shower. Quite useful, as we rather use here the showers than the bathtub. There is a small mirror in here where you can see me. I can't see myself because this would be my height, so it is just for people who want to see me. Okay, no problem. There is another mirror, but we will skip this one. So, bathroom, walk-in shower, fitted, happy days, done, sorted. Good. Coming back to the living room, Well, furniture is quite nice. I think this is even leather. So it looks pretty good, has a very neat aspect to me, very light aspect. It's really inviting to come in here. So I think it would also make a nice rental apartment here. And this could produce quite some income as well, because position-wise it's really great. The car park is just around the corner, so it's pretty close. And, well, the location is just breathtaking, no? This could be the view. And this view sells, to be honest. No doubt. Above that, as you know, all these two-bed apartments on Condado, they do have a roof terrace. Please bear with me. Might be that the internet signal is going weak, but I will do my best that this is not happening. It's a little bit windy today, but anyway. So, we are now on the roof terrace up here, and I just want to show you the views from here. We're overlooking the golf course, we're overlooking the Isla on their side, you have the Alcazar, you have the new developments, meaning the Rupert'S blocks, and behind that Alhama Nature. We do have the penthouses over there, and actually there's a golf course as well in between. So, well, it could be worse, no? We're waiting just for the trees so that they start again to produce their leaves and all that. So, well, but in the meantime, it's a great view up here, and it's a massive roof terrace. The roof terrace is the same size as the apartment. Quite a nice outside furniture thingy here, matching cushions. We did not put anything on the table because it's a little bit windy today, and we didn't know if it might fall over. On the other side, this is now the view again of the pool. By the way, also Mr. Matillo, one member of our dream team here on Condado De Alhama Golf Resort. Apart from that, I just show you here the views, the pool, and that's more or less how it is every day. This is Condado as it should be. Really fantastic. As you hear, I'm still in love with Condado De Alhama, even after now being here for 14 years. I still have to say it's, in my opinion, the best golf resort at Mercy. So, well, I'm coming down again to the main level. We are on the first floor here in Garden 9 on Condado De Alhama Golf Resort. The apartment reference number is 3865 on our dedicated webpage, qualityhomescostacalida.com, and the asking price, you wouldn't believe it, for this gem is only 69,900. Because why do I say it's only? Because this property really has lots of mod cons and also has lots of ideas in here. Well, I have to say, this really marks a difference to me. It's just maybe a small detail like the breakfast bar. It's maybe another small detail like taking out the additional fitted wardrobe and make the room bigger. There are several things. Let's talk about the shower tray down here, no, the walk-in shower. So there are many things in here which make this property really standing out. And at the same time, I still think that this would be a great rental apartment as well, being short-term or long-term. I think this would make a great rental, or it also makes a great residence. Sorry. It's very well kept. So I think this is really ready to move in here, honestly. As we see, double bed in the master bedroom, fully air-conditioned in all rooms. So just let me point this out. They're all Panasonics, so quite a good brand, all inverter technology, obviously. So we're talking about heat pump and all that. So, yeah. And as I said, the second bedroom with the fitted wardrobe taken out and increasing, therefore, the size of the room really marks a difference. I'm really gobsmacked. It really looks fantastic. Congratulations to the owners and to the sellers, because this really marks a difference to a normal, to say, two-bed, one-bathroom apartment. You do find this property and many others on our dedicated webpage, qualityhomescostacalida.com, and it's a reference 3865, asking price 69,900. Community fees for this place is 95 euros per month. And the council tax, or EB tax as we call it in Spain, is 170 euros per year. So it's 95 euros per month for the community of owners, which includes all services provided, means pool cleaning, security, gardening, you name it, we have it. But as well as for those ones who don't know, all properties on Condado enjoy internet access through its own router with a 100 megabit up and download line, which is included in the community fees. So only this is already, I would say, 30-35 euros per month. That's what we normally pay for an internet connection, especially as we also have more than 200 international TV channels in our system. So a package with internet and TV is dealt normally in Spain around 45 to 50 euros per month. So you see, it makes it's really not a big deal. 95 euros per month, getting all the services from the community, plus internet, plus television. I wouldn't say it's a steal, but I think it's a fair price for what we get for our money. We are also owners ourselves on site for several apartments, and we are happy to pay the community fees because we do think that we do get even more for our money than what we put in. The resort is kept, as you see today, always in the best condition possible. We have 24 gardeners working on site. We have a security team of over 20 people. In addition, then during summer there is reinforcement coming in also to make sure that also the holidaymakers are properly attended. So yes, we are well covered and well secured here as well within Condado De Alhama Golf Resort. Okay, reference 3865. Asking price 69,900 for all what we get. So it's really as we see it, that's how we get it. And I think, as I said, it's really very good value for money. 69,900 is a good starting point to go from. And actually, I have to advise that prices will go up on Condado. We do see now that we are already having issues with getting inventory on board, because there are now people rather waiting to say, well, let's see what prices will do. All the developments now with the new golf course, with the new owners, and I've been speaking with them as well last week, and I'm really impressed about what they will do within the next 12 to 24 months. So I think we will see a total different and a totally changed resort, changed to the better, within the next 12 to 24 months. We have seen already on the penthouses that prices now start to rise, also maybe due to the fact that the new build apartments are significantly more expensive or higher than the second hand. So definitely second hand will go up, and our inventory for the penthouses has nearly disappeared. Now I think we have 3 penthouses left now, when we had nearly 18 when we started in January. So you do see that there is something going on. Hi Colin, how are you? Hope you're okay. How is carpet business doing? Okay, well then, this was the show for today. I thank you very much for your attention. It was a great pleasure again to show you another property here on Condado De Alhama Golf Resort, presented to you in this case by Rupert'S Property Show. I'm here on behalf of QualityHomesCostaCalida.com, and this reference, you find it on the webpage on the 3865. Asking price 69,900 with all what we see, especially with the extended bedrooms. So, thank you very much for watching and listening to my show today again. I'm looking forward to see you next week. In the meantime, stay safe, have fun, and God bless. Cheers, bye.